we're talking about the gut, right? And we also often use the word the microbiome, right? And when we're talking about that, we're really talking about our internal ecosystem. You know, when it comes down to it, we are actually minimally human, so to speak, right? So there are actually non-human cells that far outnumber our human cells in our body. Trillions and trillions of species of bacteria live in the gut. We are a lush, diverse forest inside of our bodies. There are bacteria, fungus, parasites, and viruses that all live in our bodies and should be living in our bodies. I think sometimes when we hear about different pathogens or different microbes that get overgrown, we start to think that these things are always bad, right? People are talking about, candida, parasites, viruses, like chronic viruses, all these kinds of things in this very panicked way. But the reality is we should be having all these different organisms in our body. We have a very beautiful, diverse inner ecosystem that these should all be a part of. The key is they should all be balanced. They should all be living in harmony with each other and with our human cells, right? There's going to be a lot of equilibrium finding and give and take, right? Just like you see in a healthy forest, there's some natural ebb and flow, different species filling different niches and keeping each other in check. What happens is that when certain species start to proliferate out of control, or other species start to get damaged in certain ways, you start to see that balance starting to fall out, right? So we don't see as much harmony in our internal ecosystem, and that's what the problem is. It's not having a parasite, it's not having yeast, it's not having a virus, it's the entire ecosystem being out of balance.